Complementary colors. Now on this color wheel, the colors that are opposite each other are complementary colors. So as you can see, these colors will be complement to each other. So that's why the wheel is very important. You can check the complementary colors. These complementary colors usually create a lot of harmony. So you will find like the British flag is red and yellow. There is blue and I mean it's red, blue and yellow and white. And so you have to, if you see the flag, we have a flag which is saffron, white and green. Then it has a blue wheel in between. So colors in flags play a very important role. Anything you want to ask in this, please, this is your time. So now we go on to analogous colors, whether adjacent colors in trees are analogous colors. Cool colors, like somebody said earlier, there are cool colors. The colors that come you cool. Is somebody trying to talk? I heard somebody. Okay, then there are warm colors. You can feel the warmth in these colors. You can feel the coolness in these colors. So actually it creates a feeling. Now this is a very important aspect of colors called tints and shades. What are tints and shades is what I'm going to explain to you. When you have a color wheel, yes, Yashika, the warm and cool colors are very interesting to play with and they paint with because that is the medium that you're looking at. But when you add any color with black, this is what you get. You get a duller, darker version of it, which is usually called a shade. So we usually say this is a shade of yellow or a shade of green or a shade of blue. And then when you add white, people say this is a shade of white or shade of yellow, but it is not. It is actually a tint. It is a tint technically called a tint of the color. So black is a shade, white is a tint. So if you can see, these are tints. The color plus white are tints and these are shades. And the middle ones are called tones. So basically the gray scale is made up of tint, tones and shades. So if you have yellow, this will be the tint, tone and shade. Now, if we've understood that basic of color, we can go on to what does color mean. It means different things to different people. There are countries where certain colors are banned. There are countries where certain colors are meant for only religion. There are certain countries where colors are meant for which represent a football team. So colors have different meanings in different situations. Red. You can see red. If the whole square is red, it's vital. It means you can romantic. It could be in a red rose, commanding, alert, rebellious, joyful, visible, hot, and fun. So if you see, there's lots of products that use this color red. Right from I can name colors that I'm working with or that my company works with all the time. Brands like Colgate, Kellogg's, Parley, these are brands that use red a lot. Orange. This is a different shade of orange. You can have a different shade. So orange has different tints and different. I've taken a tint of orange so make it more exciting, more vibrant. It can mean it's like a hot color. It's a festive color. It's an active color. So red, orange, yellow. Yellow is light. It is happy. It associates you with the sunshine. It associates you with flora and fauna, but you have to understand that fauna also has green, which means that green is a cool color. So you can have yellow flowers with green leaves, and yet you can get a different feeling out of it. I'm not repeating what's written on the screen because it's like very clear and very to the point. If there's anything you want to clarify, just please go right ahead and interrupt me. Blue again associated with the sea, the sky, the wind. So again a very cool color. It's very easy to associate with these colors. Purple is a mixture of red and blue. So you'll have different shades of purple. And it gives a different kind of meaning. It's very associated to vegetables, fruits, associated with cosmetics. So if you have the primary, the secondary, tertiary colors, it's very easy to know why it is white, because on a white screen, all these colors look very good. Depends on what you are trying to see. So it's very important that we understand our color, and then once we understand our color, we can convey to the person what we want to see. We can convey better, like fonts, like written. So if you say that, if you draw a fire and you color it red, orange, and yellow, you don't have to tell anybody this is a picture of a fire. You don't have to write fire over there. The color and the visual will automatically tell you that this is fire. So it's very important that we understand that when we are trying to put color, what we are trying to do.